At a very young age, I would always go to bed and just wish to wake up a girl. And growing up in a family that was predominantly Hispanic and very religious, you weren't able to be feminine. I just felt like my voice didn't matter, or I didn't matter. You get very, very depressed and you kind of sink into a dark place. Had it not been for Sephora, I wouldn't be here today. The Sephora store I work in, I'm a beauty advisor, so I go around just making people fabulous all day. If I could change one life, if I could just save one life, that would be the world to me. All that teasing, all those names people called you, you're gonna get through that. You're gonna find a light at the end of the tunnel and you're gonna be all right, girl. Beauty is my smile. Beauty is my voice. Beauty is the waves and curls in my hair. Beauty is my story. To live fearlessly and courageously and just be authentically me. I am a transgender woman and I'm very proud of it. I'm woman through and through.